And typically I have classical music playing during my lessons because it helps those with ADHD. I have ADHD. It helps your brain to focus on one thing so that the other part of your brain can actually focus on what you're doing. I have a whole bunch of playlists, and it depends on my vibe and the vibe of the students. And also sometimes they send me a playlist, but it's always instrumental. It's always like low key. I have that video game soundtrack, Minecraft soundtrack, different ones that I play, but I always play music. And kids need that. They need to come into a place that's got a soothing vibe. So I have like a little ritual that I have to put on the music before I even greet the students. I have to set up the vibe before we enter into the actual contact. Do you want me to introduce myself? All right, hi, okay. Hi, I'm Krista Coyan. I'm originally from California, and I've been here in the Czech Republic for almost 20 years, and I've been teaching at Townshend International School for 17 years, I think. And I teach chemistry up through IGCSE level, and I also teach English literature. So it's a combination of Shakespeare and polymers, which can do my head in sometimes, but two passions of mine, which I love to share with the students. The reason I have been at Townshend so long, and I tell you, some people ask me, how can you stay at one place for so long? The beautiful part of this place and what keeps me getting up every morning is the relationship we have with the students. The idea that I know these students, some of them I've taught for at least 10 years. Some of them I've known for their entire life. And I feel like I get to be a part of their journey, not just educational journey, but spiritual journey, their emotional journey. I get the chance to get to know the students, and I feel like I'm actually making a difference in their lives. I think that's the benefit of a small school, for sure, 100%, because we actually know our students. But I think it's also the benefit of the ideology and the ethos of the school, which is that we're looking holistically at the child, not just getting them ready for exams, which again, we must do, and it's a part of the rigors of the school. But within that framework, we get to ask them, hey, how are you doing? Can I help you with something? Do you need something different than this? Do you need to learn this material in a different way? Because I'm here to guide you, and my responsibility is not just to dispense curriculum, but to put the effort in getting to know who they are and what they need, and adjusting myself to their needs. And I think it's this mutual respect that really solidifies these genuine relationships that we have. And then the academics come. We also have this opportunity through field service, which is really interesting. I have loads of students every month, like loads, literally loads, a van load, come to my house and spend time with me in my garden, like the whole day. And they are learning life skills. They're learning how to rake and prune and dig, but they get to see me outside of school and who I really am, and I get to see them outside of school and who they really are. And that is a beautiful thing that the school allows us to explore. And this is Mr. Shaviro, and he also teaches chemistry with me. And now he's on camera too, unexpectedly, non-consensually on camera. Mr. Shaviro, did you want to say anything to the people about why you love working at Townshend?
Hello, my name is Daniel Shaviro. I'm one of the chemistry teachers in the school. I've been here for 10 years, now going to 11th year.
Nice. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
It was awesome. I would love whatever bloopers you put together, I need them. So anyway, so again, I personally has this opportunity to spend the time with the kids outside of the school. And it informs my teaching of them inside the school, right? I know that maybe they prefer to do hands-on things, and that's how best that they learn. I've seen the joy when they're doing something in the garden or in my herbal workshop or in my kitchen cooking, whatever, right? Whatever we're doing together, I see that. And then I know, okay, for them sitting in the lab, writing notes doesn't work. But I know that when we do a practical, that is when they're going to be able to put all of those ideas into play and absorb or synthesize the theory, because they work best with their hands. These students that are not just kids that we're trying to teach information to or get to pass an exam, but they're literally amazing humans that are going to do something wonderful in the world, and we get to be a part of that. Knowing that they're loved and not judged, and that they can ask for help and they will be helped. So there you go. And seen.